More than 15 million Snickers bars are produced every day worldwide. Their irresistible combination of crunchy peanuts, golden caramel, and that milk chocolate coating makes them one of the best-selling chocolates in history. But have you ever wondered how they are actually made? What secrets do they hide to be so irresistible and addictive? Well, today we will travel to Texas, United States, home to the largest Snickers production plant on the planet, where more than 400 tons of ingredients are transformed daily into millions of bars ready to flood supermarkets, fill vending machines, and explode with flavor on your palate. So get ready because you are about to discover how the planet's most popular chocolate bar is mass-produced. Let's begin. Step 1. The Peanuts Journey. It all starts in the immense peanut fields, the essential ingredient of Snickers. Every year, the brand consumes more than 100,000 tons of this nut. Snickers exclusively selects peanuts perfect in size, flavor, and moisture level. When they reach their optimal point of maturity, the harvest begins. Colossal agricultural machines uproot the plants, and the kernels are loaded onto giant trucks that take them directly to the processing plants. The first major step is roasting. The kernels enter industrial ovens that reach temperatures of up to 180 degrees Celsius, being constantly stirred to achieve an even golden color. This process not only intensifies the flavor, but also reinforces the texture. Once roasted, they pass through a classification system where high-resolution cameras and automated air jets eliminate any defective kernel in milliseconds. Only the best continue on the main line. Step 2. Nougat. Preparation. If the peanut is the crunchy soul of the Snickers, the nougat is the foundation that keeps everything standing. This industrial version is a mixture of corn syrup, sugar, milk powder, and egg whites whipped at maximum speed in enormous stainless steel mixers, achieving a firm, elastic, and surprisingly creamy texture. Once ready, the mixture flows onto a metallic conveyor belt, forming a continuous carpet. Automatic rollers and calibrators press it with surgical precision to give it the exact thickness. When the mixture reaches the ideal thickness, an automatic system of high-speed rotating blades precisely cuts it into exact rectangular blocks. Each block is the structural base of a future Snickers bar, designed to withstand layers of hot caramel and a deluge of peanuts without losing its shape. Step 3. Caramel creation and peanut shower. This is one of the most spectacular moments. In gigantic stainless steel tanks, powerful agitators mix hundreds of kilos of sugar, condensed milk, and corn syrup, cooking the mixture at more 120 degrees Celsius. What emerges is a thick, shiny, and silky caramel. High-precision dosing systems spread the caramel over the nougat base, forming a perfectly uniform layer. Right then, a controlled cascade of freshly roasted peanuts is activated. Thousands of kernels fall simultaneously, instantly adhering to the hot caramel, creating that iconic texture that combines the smooth with the crunchy. Step 4. The chocolate bath. With the nougat, caramel, and peanuts fused into one piece, it's time for the glorious milk chocolate bath. The bars advance on long conveyor belts until they reach a real waterfall of melted chocolate. There, a constant and perfectly calculated shower covers them completely. One of Snickers' great secrets is that the chocolate has been tempered in heat and cold cycles, allowing the cocoa butter to crystallize with absolute precision. That is what gives it its crispy texture, its unmistakable smoothness, and that addictive flavor. After the bath, the bars travel through long, cooling tunnels, where the chocolate slowly solidifies. Step 5. Quality control. Before being packaged, the bars must pass their most demanding test. They pass through artificial vision systems and high-speed cameras that check thousands of pieces per minute, analyzing the size, shape, and coating to ensure they meet the brand's strict standards. Specialized operators also take random samples that are checked by hand to measure the thickness of the chocolate, the consistency of the caramel, and the exact proportion of peanuts. Finally, all bars must pass through ultra-sensitive metal detectors. Snickers follows the Quality First protocol, meaning only products that are 100% compliant reach consumers. Step 6. Packaging. Once all quality controls have been passed, the speed is astonishing. Enormous automated lines receive thousands of bars per minute, while high-precision robotic arms wrap them one by one in their classic brown package. The packaging is made with multiple layers of technical plastic and aluminum, designed to insulate the bar from oxygen, moisture, and direct sunlight, allowing it to retain its flavor, texture, and freshness for more than a year. The machines seal, cut, and code each wrapper in milliseconds. Once ready, the individual bars are grouped into boxes, waiting to leave the factory. Step 7. Final distribution. With millions of bars packaged and grouped into boxes, it's time to send them out to the world. Enormous cargo trucks line up at the plant, loading pallets full of Snickers that head to more than 80 countries. To give you an idea, from the moment the ingredients enter the factory until a Snickers bar leaves packaged and ready for distribution, less than 2 hours can pass. This is how a handful of simple ingredients are transformed into one of the most iconic chocolate bars in history, ensuring that every bite is exactly the same as the last, no matter where in the world you enjoy it. To conclude, tell us, did you imagine this whole process? What is your favorite type of chocolate bar?